Ever wished you could turn your favorite book into a professional audiobook without spending hours recording or editing? Well, now you can. In this video, I'll show you how to convert any book into an audiobook in just a few clicks using HitPaw Edimakor, a super simple tool anyone can use. Let's jump right in. First, launch HitPaw Edimakor. You can download it using the link in the description and open the app. Head over to the toolbox and select text-to-speech from the menu. Next, choose the book or section you want to convert to audio. For example, I'm using Atomic Habits by James Clear. Copy the text and paste it into the box. This works for personal writing or public domain books. Now select your preferred language, accent, gender, and use case. Preview a few options and choose the voice that sounds best.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
I'll choose this one. Or you can clone your own voice using HitPaw's voice clone feature. If you don't know how to clone your voice, watch this tutorial. Click Generate to create the audio. Then go into advanced editing to add music, remove pauses, and fine-tune everything. Once you're happy with the result, export it as an MP3 or create a video audiobook by adding your book cover and simple visuals, perfect for YouTube or sharing anywhere.
When I opened my eyes, I saw people staring at me and running over to help. I looked down and noticed spots of red on my clothes. One of my classmates took the shirt off his back and handed it to me. I used it to plug the stream of blood rushing from my broken nose.
And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more AI tutorials. See you in the next one.